Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove the home location from your Google Maps account, so let's get right into it. Now, you can do this both on the mobile version and on the website version, so it's pretty much whatever you want to do, but I'll be showing you this on the PC version, and the process is pretty much similar or pretty much the same as the mobile version and web version are pretty much identical in most things. So yeah, let's get right into it. So what you're going to do once you're on Google Maps here on the web version, you're going to go into the menu in the top left. Here, you're going to go ahead and click on your data and maps, which is going to open up this menu right over here. And as you can see, one segment of this is called home and work addresses, where you can see your home and work addresses. Now, as you can see, I haven't set any of them, but even if I did set some of them, all you had to do is just click here and it would open up a new prompt where you need to either change the address, choose it on a map, or just delete it as it is. And that is going to be pretty much all you have to do. You just have to delete your address, and once you get to it, just save the changes, and that should be it. You can do the absolute same with your work address as well. There really is no difference in that. But yeah, other than that, there's nothing else I would like to mention. The only thing that is different between the mobile version and this is the menu isn't in the top left, but in the top right on your profile icon. And that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.